జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ 29th శ్లోక. ప్రకృతేః గుణసమ్మూఢాః సజ్జంతే గుణకర్మసు తాన కృత్స్నవిదో మందాన్ కృత్స్నవిన్న విచాలయేత్. Teaching Nishkama Karma to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, there are some who cannot see them separate from their body. That is their ignorance. But they will be striving to attain self-realization. They will be influenced by three gunas, sattvagunam, rajogunam, tamogunam, and they will be attached to the effects and functions of those three gunas, and they will think that they are the doers of all the actions. That is also their ignorance. But yet they are involved in performing their actions. That is why the one who has Atma Jnanam should not shake them from their actions and should not distract them, should not discourage them. And Atma Jnani should be encouraging all these people to attain Sampurna Jnanam. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma teaching all the people who have attained Atma Jnanam to encourage those who have not attained Atma Jnanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Prakrutehe gunasammudhaha sajjante ಗುಣಕರ್ಮಸು ತಾನ ಕೃತ್ಸ್ನವಿದೋ ಮಂದಾನ್ ಕೃತ್ಸ್ನವಿನ್ನ ವಿಚಾಲಯೇತ್. ಓಂ. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on doing all your works as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least by reading one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Ramachandra saying to Ravanasura like this, Ravana, you are so cruel. Today I have to punish you. Like that Rama said, and evam kshipan dhanushi sandhitam utsasarjabanam. He put his arrow in his bow and released that arrow. That arrow became just like Vajrayudham and peeled out Ravanasura's heart. Soon after that is seen, all the followers of Ravana and soldiers, while screaming, ran away. Sukrutiva riktaha. As and how, when punyam is finished, one falls from heaven down to the earth. Just like that, while bleeding from 10 faces, Ravanasura fell on the floor. Then Mandodari, along with all other maids, came and started crying, hugging the body of Ravana and saying like this, O Ravana, Navaiveda Mahabhaga, Bhavan Kamavasam Gataha, Tejonubhavam Sitaya, Yenanito Desamimam. Under the impact of that lust, you could not realize the chastity and the greatness of Sita Devi. Now look at you. You are totally gone, and you made this entire Lanka also finished, destroyed. Because of your bad actions and activities, now your body is spared for all the crows, and your Atma is now going to so many hells. Like that, Mandodari cried. After that, Svanam Vibhishanaha Chakre Kosalendra Anumoditaha. By Rama's orders, Vibhishana did last rites to Ravanasura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter 29th श्लोक. प्रकृतेः गुणसम्मूढाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् कृत्स्नविदो मन्दान् कृत्स्नविन्न विचालयेत्. प्रकृतेः गुणसम्मूढाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् कृत्स्नविदो मन्दान् कृत्स्नविन्न विचालयेत्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.